Hey, my sweethearts, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. We are starting off with 18 inches of a Caribbean WaterWave. Okay, it has the word AFRI, free, Fry. It's one of them, but that's the hair that we're using today. You guys, this hair is awesome. I'm going long today too, okay? I usually do short, but hey, I'm covering up my shoulders today. It's all good. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, we are starting off with washed hair, okay, and I did grease it. I don't over grease, but I do make sure my scalp is greased up, okay. What I'm using right now is Shine and Gem Magic Fingers to make sure my parts are straight and neat in the front. When I braid, I make sure that my hair is straight, is nice, and it's not all tangled up, because when you're braiding, you don't want your hair to be tangled up. It's going to be harder to braid. Then you have to take it down and start all the way over. So I suggest you make sure you comb it out or brush it out just to start your braids. Now, I'm going to tell you this, and every time I braid, I'm going to tell you this every time because it really matters. Please do not braid your hair tight. I'm begging you. Please don't braid it too tight because you're going to regret it tonight when you lay down and go to sleep. I promise you. So please be easy on your edges. Now, oiling up your rubber bands, you can use any oil that you want to oil them up. I use Argan oil just to oil them up. And you don't have to soak them in there overnight. You can just soak them in there for a couple of minutes just before you start doing your hair. Now you guys remember, not too tight. These rubber bands can pull out your edges, because if you put this rubber band too tight around your edges, especially with all of the product and everything, you will pull your edges out. So like I'm telling you, please be careful. I got edges, okay? I love my edges. I like little sideburns, or you know what I'm saying? I like hairstyles to where I can be able to show off the edges of my hair. So please be careful. Okay, this Cantu growth cream, I believe it works. It's not all pungent or anything. It's light and fluffy on your scalp. I suggest it. And you have to have a lot of body conditioner in your home, especially if you have real 4C coarse hair like me. My hair is very coarse, and I don't want to be sitting here spraying no water bottle in my hair trying to get it soft. But this lot of body, that's all you need for your hair to be really, really soft for any style, any occasion. Pop it in, and hey, it's good. They have different types of a lot of body products too, so you should check those out as well. And for my non-braiders, if you are very good at twisting, you actually can twist this backwards instead of braiding it. So you should try twisting it instead of braiding it. And if that works for you, then hey, we're good. Okay, you guys, as you can see, like some parts, you see my hand coming down. Hey, I was a little tired, okay? You just don't even know. I've been braiding, especially when you braid thick hair. Your fingers get hecka tired. Then they might even cramp up on you sometimes. So, hey, if you got to take your time, take your time. Ain't going nowhere. Patience is key, baby. You guys, another thing, I like to braid my hair and then start crocheting my hair as soon as I'm done. Sometimes I might wait overnight and then do it in the morning, but I'm on green light today. I'm on go status. So if you want to do it and wait overnight and then do it in the morning, be my guest. Okay, guys. Crocheting this hair, since it's long, you don't have to wrap it 3 to 4 times, okay? If you're new here, if you're new with crocheting, you're gonna put the hair through the needle, you're gonna close the needle, you're gonna pull it through your hair. I wrap it around one time, like twist it once, then I grab one strand of hair and then I pull it together like a shoelace, and it latches in there perfectly. If you didn't get that, I'll show you further on in the hairstyle. If you have to slow it down and rewind it, please do that. But other than that, I'm gonna try to do my best to show you guys how to do it. Okay, guys, here's that part where you might need to go ahead and slow it down, and I can show you this way, okay? So slow it down, take your time, and we can get straight through this. I'll see you guys at the end. Okay, getting to the very front of your hair, I'm just breaking it up into three sections, because I want it to be, I just want it to blend better. I don't want big bulky parts right in the front. I want it to be, look, just blend it right on in, you guys. Just camouflage it as much as possible. Okay, you guys, for my sideburns, I'm doing some Murray's Edge Wax. I usually use 24-hour edge tamer, but today I am trying this out. It's the second time I've tried it. It goes on white, but it dries clear. It's actually good for your edges. It doesn't flake up, and it's pretty cool. So try the Murray's out and tell me what you think. All right, for my finishing touch, I'm using Luster Stink Gloster just for my scalp, you guys, and get it nice and shiny. And these are the final results, you guys. Oh, look at it, popping, popping, popping. I'm loving it. I'm loving everything about it. Look at it. It's moving. It's bouncy. It's cute, you guys. I like it. I hope you guys like it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and I'm waiting on you to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.